guys, what's up? And right now we're sitting in the hallway of my home, and I have a special treat. I kind of rage bought something because the wheels didn't fit on the car, and at the time I didn't know it was because I had spacers on it, and I bought an airlift kit. Yeah. Airlift Performance. Let's go. Got me some stickers. God. Ooh, that is so nice, and it's red, and I'm excited. So I kind of rage bought an airlift kit, and I only have half of it now because I could only pay half and half because my card wouldn't let me pay for all of it at once. So the rest of it should be in tomorrow, and hopefully it should all be installed Saturday in time for the first Cars and Coffee of the season, which is Sunday. Yeah, so Gary's gonna come over and we're gonna start installing it. Unfortunately, my torque wrench broke when I was torquing on the wheels, so we gotta go to Harbor Freight real quick, get a torque wrench, and then I gotta get a grinder as well, because apparently inside the wheel well where the bag goes, there's some bolts in there and some plastic like clips that can potentially puncture the bag, so we're gonna grind that down as well. So, gotta grab the key, and then I'm gonna move the car into the center of the garage, because that's how we do things. You guys can listen to my labored breathing. Oh. It's actually really hard to do with one hand. Okay. Nice and centered. And I'm gonna go ahead and get it on all jacks, and I'll see you guys here in a second. Okay guys, so I guess we're not gonna go to Harbor Freight because screw it. I thought we were gonna need to do some cutting. Apparently they're just plastic clips. We could just pop those out. But all by myself and Gary, we got the front right off and the back right off. And then we're gonna start installing the bags. Like I said, we don't have the compressor yet. I still need to go to the store, and I need to buy some wood to cut out to mount the compressor to and everything. So that'll be coming up soon. But as of right now, we've got no coils on the back right and the front right, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna go get the bag and start installing that. All right guys, so we got the fronts out of the box. Still got to take the front left and the back left off. These should be labeled right and left. Yeah, right here you see how it's got a little R. So it'll tell us which side each bag actually goes on, which is really nice. So, Gary's finishing the unboxing as ceremoniously as he can. And we're gonna start putting these bad boys on. Okay, Gary's currently working on the airlines connecting to the actual front bags themselves. So 1 1/4 past hand tight, we'll get those on. You're gonna need a, what is that, 11/16 for the adapter for here. And I think this was a 15 right here, but I didn't have a 15, so I had to use the adjustable wrench. But we're getting it on, and Gary's getting it on. And then we're gonna go ahead and throw them on the front, and I'm gonna watch a YouTube video on how to route them through the engine bay properly. Looks like the install guides are saying follow the brake lines. and that's probably what we're gonna do. So I'll see you guys when we get over there. I want you guys to know I'm not completely useless when it comes to this stuff. It's just Gary really likes to play with cars. And at the moment, he is currently installing the sway bar for the front. Let's see if we can get in there. Oh yeah, what's up, Gary? Oh yeah, oh, the back of your head. Oh, he's gonna do some drilling. Maybe, maybe not.
Change sizes, I need a 20, in fact.
All right, I'm the bitch. Going for the 20.
Maybe a 20.
Yeah. I can do a 21. I don't know what a 21.
Unless we choose to just keep the original,
No, put what's
which I think is better. Some tells me maybe American. Go check it out. Here, use this. Use this. This is a 21. Did you take that with you over there?
No.
Well,
God, he's working on my car, people. Oh. 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 That looks so nice and red. Hell yeah. Might get loud here, people. Next item on the agenda, brakes.